When the power goes out, do you have a plan to keep your household running? Let's break down how to create an emergency power plan for blackouts. Start with backup power sources. Options include portable generators, solar panels, or battery-powered systems. Choose what fits your needs and budget, but always ensure it's reliable and easy to use. Portable power banks are perfect for keeping small devices charged, like phones and flashlights. Keep them fully charged and ready to use. Maintain your equipment. Test generators regularly and store enough fuel or batteries to last at least 3 days. Plan your power usage. Identify essential devices like medical equipment, refrigerators, or communication tools, and prioritize their power needs. Blackouts don't have to leave you in the dark. With a little preparation, you can keep your family safe and comfortable. Hey, if you like this video and want more info on this topic, click on this video here. You can also get more life-saving information at isurvivethrive.com. Don't forget to subscribe to our I Survive Thrive YouTube channel. Check the description below for helpful links.